Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to disable automatic update of PC. Just you have to follow some steps and then you'll be able to stop that features. Okay, first type run in the search box. Okay, now type services.msc dot msc. Okay, click OK. Wait for the window to open and just scroll down to Windows Update. You can see in Windows Update is here. Okay, you can see here the update is manual. Just you have to select the disable option. Okay, apply and OK, and the automatic update you can see now disable. You can just have to cross. Now not going to get any automatic update from the Windows. This will make your PC fast. Thank you guys, bye.